Hello and welcome to a Precisely How-To video. I will show you how you can geocode addresses using Precisely Geo Addressing user-defined functions in a Snowflake worksheet. This worksheet will show you how to create an external user-defined function using Snowflake Precisely API middleware. Start with selecting an appropriate role and warehouse for the worksheet. Only the account admin role can create API integration and external user-defined functions. Let's use the account admin role here. Warehouse on Snowflake is a cluster of database servers deployed on demand to execute user queries. Precisely UDFs have been developed in a way that can work with the bare minimum. Let's use the XS. Selecting the database and schema is optional. For this setup, the address table is in the pre-sales database. Let's use pre-sales for both the database and schema. API integration is one of the requirements for the external user-defined function. Let's run this script. Running this will create an API integration with the name API integration. Here we have used AWS API Gateway. And we strongly recommend you use the exact values of AWS role and API as given in the documentation. This section will create an external user-defined function named geocode. Let's run this script. Here we are passing the API integration that we have created in the previous step and headers that required headers API key and headers API secret. You can contact Precisely for the production environment key and secret. There are two types of geocode UDFs. First, with main address line, country, as a parameter, and second, with array as a parameter. In this UDF, we are passing the address array as a parameters. Once account admin creates the above items in Snowflake, it is expected that the execution right of geocode UDF to be given to other roles. Here, we choose sysadmin. In the actual Snowflake environment, it can be any role. At this time, we are done with setting up the Geo Addressing UDF, and now you are ready to geocode your address table. In a separate worksheet, use the appropriate role and warehouse. We are expecting an address table in one of the databases. Let us look at the data and schema of the table to find the address columns to pass them as input parameters in the geocode UDF. Finally, let's perform geocoding in this Snowflake environment. Here is the final geocoded table, where we have the input attributes, a response attribute that has the full JSON string, longitude, latitude, formatted address, and our unique address ID that is Precisely ID. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our Geo Addressing UDF. In the next video, we will show you how you can enrich the addresses with precisely provided points of interest, property attributes, risk, and demographic datasets using our unique and persistent key named Precisely ID. For more information about Precisely products and solutions, please contact us at www.precisely.com/contact.